Hi guys, tonight I'm going to talk about my journey as a young YouTuber. I started my channel in March 2020, that is March 1st, 2020. However, I did not have enough knowledge about my channel, about YouTube channel in particular. I just created a channel and I knew I wanted that channel to be about makeup application, being inspired by Chrissy from the Carter family. Big up yourself, Chrissy. You are my number one motivator always. Big up yourself. So at that time I remember I took about 3 days, and when it has completed, as I said before, it was March 1st. Upon completing my channel, I was hesitant when it comes on to uploading a video because I have never created a video before about makeup, a complete video. Even though I know it is my passion and it is something that I have a drive for, I did not, I had never uploaded a video or even tried to make a video, preferably. Guys, I remember it took a couple months before I started uploading, and I also remember when I introduced some of my contacts, family in my contacts, and a few of them went over and subscribed. I reached about 24 subscribers. Never forget that, guys. And I was extremely happy. I was excited. Yes, guys, I was over the moon at that time. After a while, I started to lose interest in my channel in terms of not seeking any subscriber, not intending to post any video or so forth of me doing makeup, even though I know that is what I wanted to do. And I did not do so because I was shy and I did not have anybody to push me, say, go on girl, try and fail. It's better to try than fail at that time. So I remember being there months, just leaving my channel. Now and then I would check back on my channel and wonder, so why my subscriber now grow? How come it's still there 24? Not knowing that I it's my channel. I thought at that time that subscriber would just pop out of the blue and support my channel. No, it's not like that, guys. It's not like that. So if you're thinking about doing a channel, you have to work on your channel. If you do not work on your channel, no one else will, guys. So put in the work, upload video, and everyone has understand that there's a first for everything, and you won't be perfect on your first video. So don't try to be perfect because no one is perfect, right? And even if you practice, you will never be perfect. You will be close to perfection. So three main important things that you should remember when working on your channel or doing a YouTube channel is to remain focused. That is number one. Know exactly what you want, right? Be consistent about it. Continuously post on your channel. um there are going to be times when you don't feel like you want to post. There are going to be times when you're going to say to yourself, oh my god, I'm starting my business and I expect a lot more person to support my business, and honestly, is it this amount of person that is really here for me? Don't give up, just continue. And there's a saying that I always say, and I always see this saying on Facebook: a person out there on social media is likely to support you more than the persons around you, the person that you associate with on a regular basis. Guys, trust me, that is a very factual phrase, statement, whatever you may consider it to be. Right? So we move on from focus, consistent, and determined, guys. Determined about your goal. Guys, I am I have made my channel, let me say 2021, 22. It's 2 years since I've made my channel and I have not reached 1K subscriber as yet. Yes, sometimes I feel depressed, but I continue. Slow and steady wins the race. I am currently at 810 subscribers. Who could it be but God? Who could it be but God? I cannot overemphasize on that. Just put God first and He will do the rest. When you feel like you can't bother, just put God first. I am a living testimony as it relates to that. Now, back to being at 24 subscribers. Guys, I became discouraged. And I remember I finally get the chance, I get the drive again to work on my channel. And I remember that the channel has increased from 24 subscribers to a total of 99 subscribers. Yeah, guys, after being at 99 subscribers for a little while, I started working on my channel again because I did not get a chance to post any video in a while, and that is due to family issues. I had a lot of things going on, so I was unable to post. But when I finally got through my situations and decided to post, I remember vividly, guys, my channel grew from 99 subscribers to over 500 subscribers. So I am telling you guys that determination, once you determine, you will reach far. And I ask me, I tell me, work on the stuff, be consistent and focus. Because hard work must be off, If I'm not sure about nothing else in my life, I know say hard work must be off. And after that, it moved from 500 and odd to 700 and odd, and then recently it reached to 800 and odd. And I know by the help of God, I know definitely by the help of God, I will reach my ultimate goal. I am on the road to 1K and beyond. I pray that I'll be able to be a blessing to others, be an inspiration to others through my channel, be a motivation to others. And I am also praying that I am able to be as transparent as possible with you guys as it relates to being a young YouTuber, struggling, a mother, starting her own business. Guys, trust me, it is not easy, but with God all things is possible. So I just want to end this little motivational speech with my 3 topics, which are being focused, being determined, and what is the other one? Being focused, being determined, and being consistent. And if you're thinking about creating a channel, don't be afraid, don't be scared. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that can help you step by step, because that is what I used to create my channel. I had no idea prior to that, how to create my channel, how to create a channel, but I knew that I wanted a channel, and I knew that I want my channel to be about makeup at that time only, and I created a channel. Now, guys, I am also thinking about maximizing my channel. I'm also thinking about doing ear lace wig, but I just need to get a few makeup tutorials out there first. I'm thinking about doing lace wig, even though I don't know the first step, but I have faith and I know that I can do all things through Christ who strengthen me. I'm also planning on doing cooking on my channel. My baby father and I, we are planning to do cooking on this channel. We are planning to do pranks, we are planning to do mukbangs, we are planning to do vlogs, we are planning to do challenge and a wide range of stuff. So we have a lot more coming. So don't feel like this channel will only be about makeup. This channel will also be about motivational speeches. If you feel depressed, just come on the Inspirational Shan Makeup and you know, listen to video and we move on, because as I said, I want to be an inspiration to others. I want to be an inspiration to my fellow young ladies like myself. You understand? To go out there. Yes? Okay, sir. So I'm saying, guys, when you're feeling down, just come on my channel and watch videos pertaining to motivational speech. Yes, guys, you have to start somewhere. I am not perfect. I am not perfect. If you scroll back on my playlist and look at my very first set and even videos that I recently do, I make mistakes, but the good thing about that is that I am able to pinpoint the mistakes that I have made and work on them. And don't feel like I am doing makeup. I don't watch other YouTubers doing makeup. I watch makeup tutorial of bigger YouTubers out there and I learn. I learn. I learn. And if I learn, you can learn too. Put your best foot forward and go for that which you want. Because trust me, nobody now go for it for you. You got to go for it yourself. And excuse the fan, because I know that the fan breeze, I'm going to hear it back in the video, but please stay with me. I'm very thick, so I have to be underneath the fan at all times to remain cool. Yes, your girl has to be cool, right? So that's about it, guys. We have more things to get into, but I'll save the best for last, or should I say, I'll save some of the topics for our next video. And this is my first motivational video. Second, actually, because I did one the other day and I end up deleting it. Yes, guys, so please don't bash me, stay with me. This is my first video, and if you have any idea of anything that I can do, feel free to leave it down below in the comment section, guys. And I'm also going to upload a makeup tutorial on how I achieve this look, so watch out. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new content on my channel. Until next time, guys, put God first, pray often, forgive, love unconditionally, and remember, pray each night before you go to bed, because tomorrow is promised to no one. Put God first. Love you guys. Until next time. Bye.